How to share your screen on Instagram video call. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can share screen on Instagram video call. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, open up the Instagram application, then go to the chat section. After that, open the contacts of whom you want to go to the video chat with, and then simply tap on the video chat icon located on the top right corner. And after the video chat opens up, simply tap on the bottom middle prompt. It is the share screen option. Once you tap on it, a prompt like this will show up where you can either show the reels or the liked videos, or you can go to the share screen option and then tap on start now. After that, your screen will be sharing. You can go out of it and all of the contents on your screen will be being shared. And if you want to stop sharing, simply tap on stop sharing. And it is as simple as that to share your screen on Instagram video call. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.